All right, hey guys. Great.
Today we're gonna
be installing a DNA stage 2 on the bike. We already have a Kelpie full exhaust. We already have that installed. So to install this stage 2, we need to remove these 4 bolts right here, these 2, and remove the plastic here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that so we can pull the tank up and see what we have from there. All right, I went ahead and got off the 4 bolts. Took this top part off, which came off with the 2 bolts that were here, and then those 2 pieces, those 2 tabs to get these pieces out. Show you which pieces they are. You don't have to remove everything. I'm gonna have 2 of these, so that's what you need to remove. Now the next step is going to be lifting this gas tank up and disconnecting that stuff in there. The 2 connections and 1 vent. Yep. So I'm gonna get those off, and then after that, you're supposed to hold this tank up and pull back at the same time to get it out. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get a towel or something so I can have a place to put the gas tank once I get it out. And I'll get back to you. Alright guys, gas tank is off. So now just gotta remove all these screws around. Pull this ECU out. I'm sending the ECU to V-cycle nut to get it flashed. So once it comes back, we'll be ready to go. You got your air temperature, your air sensor, temperature sensor. You just twist and it pulls out. And take all these screws out. And I'll pull it out. Got the new DNA filter right there. So I'll get back to you. Alright, got the tank right there. Got the DNA stage 2 air filter installed. So you got 3 zip ties. I haven't put them all in, but they go. That's what's gonna hold the ECU in place. But like I said, I'm shipping the ECU out to get it flashed. So it'll be probably about a week or so before I can test it out and see what it does. I've heard a lot of good things about mid-range torque and stuff like that. You know, that's what I'm more worried about. Not too worried about the top end speed and all that. But I'll definitely get back to you guys. Probably make another video and let you know how it feels. All right.